Guys, Seedance 2.0 is coming. I'm going to show you some of the magic you can create with this Seedance 2.0, and I'm also going to walk you through what you're going to expect. Watch the video till the end. Now, I'm not going to do a lot of talking. I'm going to show you what you are going to expect. So before we get straight to talking about some of the things to expect, let me show you some videos that have been generated with this Seedance 2.0 that will be of interest to you, so that you can see the magical effects or the magical things you can do with Seedance 2.0, right? So this is one from Twitter. As you can see here, it says Seedance 2.0 testing 01. I uploaded the storyboard I made by Nano, Banana and MJ to the new model and asked for a short combat scene. This is made with Seedance 2.0, as you can see. Now let's watch what we got, right? So let's watch this together. As you can see, so real, guys, so real. And this is made with Seedance 2.0. So guys, this is part of the things you can do with this platform when it launches. So watch, I'm going to show you more, right? I'm going to show you more, and we are going to expect, I'm going to show you what to expect as well. Okay, so when this platform officially launches, I'm going to also come back here to make videos on how you can actually go ahead to use it, and how you can actually create beautiful, amazing scenes or amazing things using the Seedance 2.0. Now, don't forget, this video is brought to you by Higgsfield.ai, where you can actually create any kind of AI generated video or any kind of AI generated content that you want. So make sure to go to Higgsfield.ai and start creating amazing content. You can also join their platform that says you generate an AI action short film and win $500,000. So they are actually running a campaign. You can actually join this by clicking on enter, and you can stand a chance to win from this $500,000 they have here. So but any kind of image, video, motion control, any kind of image, any kind of AI generated stuff that you want to create, Higgsfield.ai is your go-to platform. So make sure to go ahead to use the platform. Now let's watch some of another video that was generated by this Seedance 2.0. So this is demo testing, right? This is just for you to understand what the platform is all about. So as you can see, this one says use storyboard picture as the imprint and generate a Y2K pop style MV scene. Great work, Dramania. So this is created by Seedance 2.0. Now let's see exactly what it's created.
You think you're strong, you're just a copycat singing my song.
As you can see, so amazing, right? It's AI. It's AI, bro. AI is insane. Seedance 2.0 is
you
magical.
Think you're strong, you're just a copycat singing my song.
Yeah. This is Seedance 2.0. Let's watch more. I'm going to show you more demos, right? I'm going to show you more demos so that you can actually prepare your mind when this thing officially launches. This is just the pre-release video, right? When it officially launches, I'm going to be coming back here to show you how to use it, right? So let's watch another one. Seedance 2.0. I don't know what this Chinese language is, but Seedance 2.0, right? Let's see exactly what it is all about. This is on Twitter. This was made by Seedance 2.0. Is it not magical? I mean, you don't need a lot of work these days. Like, these AI tools will just create magic for you. So those of you that are interested in AI content, AI things, Seedance 2.0 is all you need. Higgsfield.ai is the platform for you. So I mean, when this officially launches, trust me to come back here to show you. Right now, let's watch another one. This is one that we created. Let's watch another one, also made by Seedance 2.0, and I'm going to show you what it's all about. As you can see, a new AI video model Seedance 2.0 is in beta testing in China. This is going to blow your mind. Exactly, because it's already blowing my mind. I'm going to tell you the truth, right? So now let's watch exactly how this one is all about. Oh, this is so real, right? Oh my god, are you interested? Just as I am interested. Oh my, I can't wait for this Seedance 2.0 to drop, right? I can't wait for it. It's so super amazing. There's a lot you can create with this. I'm just thinking about people that are into short frames or want to create things like this. I mean, Seedance 2.0 is it for you. As the audio, videos, a whole lot of stuff. I'm going to show you what's involved, right? So let's see this last one. Seedance 2.0 is insane. Let's see exactly why he says that.
Like balance.
Is this not so real? I mean, it's so
I like strength.
like, I mean, I would need a pastor or somebody to tell me this is not real, right?
I like flow.
This looks so real, my guy. This looks so real. Wow.
I like speed.
Created with AI, as you can see. AI content, Seedance 2.0. Are you interested? Now let's look at what we are going to expect from the coming of Seedance 2.0. So key features for Seedance 2.0: one-click video creation. So you don't need a bunch of clicks, right? With one click, you can create it. Turn a single sentence into a complete video. I mean, sharp. Undefined multi-input control. Like you have multi-input control. You have that control with Seedance 2.0 that's going to be launching very soon. Frame level precision. Like as you can see, the precision of this frame so accurate. Like the movement, it's going to be hard for you to detect it's AI, but it's AI generated. But the frame level precision is so high. Multi-camera storytelling. Like if you want multi-storytelling angles, Seedance 2.0 is the one for you, right? It tells stories on different camera angles, right? So high impact motion scenes. So if you want to create motion stuff, Seedance 2.0 is that for you. As you can see, you create high impact motion scenes with Seedance 2.0. I mean, you can join the waitlist by clicking on join the waitlist, and if you're interested, just go to higgsfield.com/Seedance 2.0. Now higgsfield.com, that platform that actually allows you to create any AI generated stuff that you want. So make sure you go to higgsfield.ai and start creating your stuff. So video generated with Seedance 2.0. So these are some of the videos that have been generated with Seedance 2.0, and I also played you one in the beginning of these videos. Okay, so make sure to go ahead, prepare yourself, join the waitlist, as this platform is about to drop, or as it drops. I'm going to be the first, or one of the first people that was going to bring it to my platform to show you exactly the magic you can create with the platform Seedance 2.0. So it's going to be very good. If you have not subscribed to Higgsfield.ai Pro, I mean, you are wasting time, right? Higgsfield.ai is going to allow you access to Seedance 2.0. It's going to give you a whole lot of stuff that you can actually enjoy. If you are into AI content, or you are looking to create videos, AI things, anything at all, it's video, images, motion graphics, whatever, Higgsfield.ai is that platform for you, and you need to just sign up for their pro plan, and all their pro plans are well explained on this page. So sign up for one and use and enjoy for yourself. So if you have more questions, you can actually check out their FAQ, frequently asked questions, and see they answered some of your questions. And if you are still having more, the comments is there for you to ask me, and I'll be there to provide you all the answers you need. So don't forget, Seedance 2.0 coming soon, and it's going to be very fantastic. It's going to be very nice, and you're going to love it, right? So that's it. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon when I drop new videos, so that you won't forget, so that you get all the info you need as early as possible. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you are ready for Seedance 2.0, as I am also very gassed up, ready for this platform Seedance 2.0. I'll see you guys on the next one when it launches. Bye bye.